Today we will be going to learn, that is the last lesson for your unit test, that is lesson number 11, circle. You all know about this circle, means many times you have drawn the circle. This is a circle, and this circle has a center that is called center point, center of the circle. I'm just drawing here a rough figure, but you have to use a compass to draw the circle. This is called the center of the circle. It is always denoted by O. Okay, and the line. Now we'll see some of the important things about the circle in the example. Circle 2 on any point of the circle is called as a radii or radius. The line drawn from the center of the circle to any point on the circle, that is called as a, I'll give a name A, OA, that is a radius. What we call OA as a radius. Suppose OA, this OB, OP, OD, this is called, this from center to the any point on the circumference of a circle, that is called radius of a circle. Now I'll rub this. Second and very important, we'll see, that is diameter. The diameter is a line which is been drawn through, which joins any 2 points of the circle through the center of the circle. See, I'll draw it for you. This is AB and it passes through the center, so that is called as diameter. That is called as a diameter. Sorry, I'll draw once again for you. Suppose this is O center and this is A. Now what I'll draw one more. Now this is B and C. So length, or this line length BC is called as a diameter. Line which passes through the center of the circle and joins 2 points on the circle. Okay, it should pass through the circle and it is always in a straight line. Okay, that is called diameter. Diameter is, to find the diameter is double of radius. Diameter is a double of 2 times greater than that of radius. Suppose radius is given 4 centimeter, this OA is 4 centimeter, and you have been asked to find the BC's length. So what you will do, 2 multiplied by radius is given 4, then you will write 2 multiplied by 4, 8. Radius will be, BC will be 8. So this is there. Now what is mean by circumference of a circle? See, this part, this outer part is called as a circumference of a circle. To find the circumference of a circle, that is C, we have a formula, that is 2 pi r. This 2 pi r, this pi means it is a constant which has a value of 22 upon 7. I'll write it here. To find the circumference of a circle, there is a formula. Circumference of a circle, it is denoted by C is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. This 2 pi r, in that 2 is called as a 2 upon 7, and this r means radius of a circle, that is called 2 pi r. That is, to find the circumference of a circle, this is the formula 2 pi r, where this pi is called as a constant. Okay, and the diameter is a 2 times greater than that of a given radius of the circle. Okay, so now we'll see practice set 42 to solve this. You will easily understand. First question in practice set, they have given us a tabular form. They have told us radius of the circle is been given somewhere, they have given diameter somewhere, given circumference, so we have to find both, all of them. So let us see. Radius is given in first bracket. Radius, it is always denoted by small r, not a big R, capital R, small r. Radius is given 7 centimeter. We have to find d, that is diameter, and circumference, that is c. Okay, see, already we know the d is equal to 2r, means this is the formula to find. If the radius is given, you can find the diameter's measurement. So 2, it will be as it is, radius is being given 7, 2 multiplied by 7, 40, so diameter will be the 14, and circumference, now understood. To find the diameter, if you know the radius of a circle, r we got 7 now, and d we have got 14. Now to find the circumference, we know the formula 2 pi r. Okay, 2 will write as it is, 20 pi is been given 22 upon 7, and r, that is 7. So 7, this one's are 7, 7 ones are 7. So what is remaining? 2 multiplied by 22. Then the answer is 44. Circumference is 44 square, 44 centimeter. How much it will be? 44 centimeter. Okay, once again I'll solve one for you, then you can easily solve. Now see, the radius is been given in second example. Sorry, radius is not given, we have to find. Diameter is given 28, and circumference is we have to find. See, all we have know that diameter is a 2 times of a radius. So 2 times means radius is 2 times, diameter is 2 times of radius, then it means radius is a half of the diameter. So to find radius, you have to write d by 2. D by 2 means what is the value of d? It is 28 and 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So radius will be 14. Okay, radius is a half of the diameter, and the diameter is the 2 times greater to the radius. It is 2 times as of. Circumference, formula for circumference is 2 pi r. 2, if the value of the pi is not given, then you have to consider 22 upon 7, and radius we found 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 2, this 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 2, so 44, and this 2, 88 centimeter. Circumference is 88 centimeter. Now third and fourth one are same. I'll solve third one for you, and you will solve fourth one. Okay, now here circumference is given, that is 616 centimeter. We have to find radius, and we have to find diameter. Okay, now we'll see. According to the circumference formula, that is 2 pi r. Okay, I'll rough this and once again I'll write 2. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Okay, we'll write the value 2. We know the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7, and this r we have to find. We'll keep as it is. Now we know this 660 circumference is given 660. Now what we'll do, we'll keep this r as it is here. Okay, we'll keep this r as it is here, and we'll take this all quantities to the left side of the equation. So it becomes 616. 7 is division here, so it becomes multiplication, and this both are on, these are, they are numerator, so it will become denominator when they will change the side of the equation. 2 multiplied by 22, so 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 0, and 2 8s are 16. Okay, then 22 ones are 22, 22 ones are 22, here remains 8, 24 8s are 88, so here remains 14 multiplied by 7, 14 multiplied by 7. Then find the radius. So radius will be 98. 14 7s are 98, so r will be the 98, and we have to find the diameter. Diameter is equal to 2r, that is double of radius 98. So 2 4s are 2 8s are 16, carries 1, 2 9s are 18, and 1 19. So diameter will be 196. Okay, did you understood? Okay, now we'll go for the word problem. If the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. Okay, what is been given, first we'll write. Second, circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter. Okay, find its radius. So we have to find radius according to our formula. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, 2 is already there, we'll put up the value. Pi means 22 upon 7. This r we have to find, as circumference in 176. Okay, now we'll do same process as we have done for the previous one. We'll keep all this quantity to, we'll take this all numbers to the left side of the equation. So 176 multiplied by 7, this 2 divided by 22. I'll write in a good form. See, 176 multiplied by 7, and this 2 divided by 22. Now 2 ones are 2 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16, 22 ones are 22, 24 8s are 24 is a 22 4s are 88. Now 7 what is remains, 7 multiplied by 4. Do the multiplication, 7 4s are 28, so r is 28 centimeter. You have to write the unit, that marks are there for it. So radius is 28 centimeter. Okay, understood? Now the next one, just you have to use the formula and put up the value which has been given, then you can easily find out the answer. Third one, the radius of a circular garden is 6 meter. What would it cost to put a 4 round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? Okay, see what is there. This is a circular garden. Okay, this is a circular garden. Its radius is 56 meter. Okay, first radius is 56. We have to put 4 round fence, means this 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, we are going to put 4 round fence to around the ground, circular ground. Okay, so first we'll have to find the circumference of a circle. Okay, so radius is given 56 centimeter. So according to our formula, we'll put the values 2 pi r. 2 pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 56. 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56. There will be the division between this number, because as it is numerator and this is denominator. 7 eights are 56. Now which remain 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 8. 22, this 44. Okay, 44 multiplied by 8. How much? 8 4 the 32. 8 4 the 32 again. 32 and 3 35. 35 centimeter. The circumference is 35 352 centimeter. This is for one round. So we are going to put 4 round of fence. So we have to multiply this fence with the 4 round fence. So total circumference will be 4 multiplied by 352. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, carries 2, 4 3s are 12 and 2 14. So fence will be of 1408 meter. Now we have to find what would be the cost, as this is this much of fence we required, and per meter means 1 meter they are going to charge 40 rupees. So 1 for total cost. To find total cost, we'll multiply circumference of total circumference of fence with the 40. 0 4, this 0 will keep as it is. 4 8 the 32, carries 3, 4 0 0, 0 and 3 3, 4 4 the 16, carries 1, 4 1 the 4, this one. So 56,320 rupees it will cost. Okay, for the fence. Hope you have understood this. Fourth one you will try and solve, as I am going to send you the notes. So this is how this circle is all about. Will recall the some of the important things again. Circle's value is, this is the circle. The line, the center point of a circle is always denoted by O. The line drawn from the center of the circle to the any point of the circle is called radius. Okay, and the line which joins any 2 point through the circle of through the center of the circle is called a diameter. This OA will be radius, BC will be the diameter, and this the line which the segment, or the you can say any line which joins any 2 point on the circle is called as a chord. Okay, it's called as a chord. Now formula for the to find the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. This is how this 42nd example is practice set 42. Hope you have understood this. So we'll stop here. Now you will get the all details. Thank you.